Look at her. Pipa. Nag-aabang sila ay. Hello? Where's PB, huh? Where's PB, Pipa? Right. Hello, PB. Oh. Steady, Pipa. She's so excited. Hello. We are home. We are home, mga palangga. So, galing ako sa trabaho for 8 hours shift. Ang kukulit ng mga bata, oy. I don't know where John is, but we will check him if he is in the workshop. Yeah, I could hear him. I think he is in the workshop. So windy and it's raining again. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi. Oh, may parcel tayo. What is this? Is this mine as well or what is this? I just gonna wash my hands and we will unbox that. Titingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob nito. Sabi ko sa inyo, maghuhugas lang ako ng kamay pero nagbihisa din ako mga palangga. So anyway, let's open this. I am excited. Yung address is under sa PO box ko. So, yeah, ano kaya to? This is my second time around na makatanggap ako ng item sa PO box ko. Maraming salamat. Uy, kung sino man ang nagpadala, titingnan natin kung may letter ba siya. Ano kaya to? I'm not sure about this. Sobrang nipis niya. At walang nakapangalan. Ano ba to? This is na. Wala palang laman, oy. I think this is from John. Akala ko merong laman. Wala palang laman. Yeah, walang laman. Diyos. Anyway, ito na. Ito na yung parcel natin. I'm pretty sure meron tong laman. Ano kaya to? Wala akong gunting. Oh, I think I need a scissor. I just gonna get a scissor. So, ito na. I am back with my gunting. Mia Sandoval. Hala, ano kaya to? Wow. Oh, mask. So, mask. Oh, another mask. How many? Oh my, ang generous niya. Ay, how many masks? Adorely, I'm not sure how to pronounce the mask, pero marami yung sinend niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 mask. Meron pa. Hala, ano ba? Meron siyang letter. Hope you like the little blessings I've shared. Fimi. Oh, thank you. Uy, maraming salamat talaga. Thank you so much, Fimi. Ano to? Wow. Hala. Michael Kors na wallet. Hala, uy, ang bongga mo naman, uy. Hala, maraming salamat. Ay, first time ko makapag Michael Kors na wallet. At yung kulay niya, kakulay ng bag ko. Hala, maraming salamat, Pimi. Maraming salamat talaga. Thank you. At isa pa. Hala, ay! Tingnan niyo, ang ganda niya ay. Yung brand is couch, I'm not sure. Couch yung upuan. I think coach yung pag-pronounce sa brand name niya. Hala, maraming salamat. Uy, first time ko makapag Michael course, first time ko makapag-coach ng na wallet. Hala, salamat ay. Maraming salamat sa blessings. Thank you so much talaga for your blessings. I cannot wait to try this mask. Actually, I will try this probably later if I have time. Cleanse face thoroughly, pat dry. Hala, maraming salamat, Pimi. Hala, maagang pamasko ba? Salamat talaga. I am unboxing, honey. Have a look. Have a look what I got. The person who sent me this item is very generous. I've heard the brand, and I think it's an expensive brand. And she's so generous to send. Yeah, it's very generous to send her these things. And she sent me a lot of masks. And she said on the note that you need to use the mask as well.
No.
She called, is it Fimi? She did not put any address, but thank you so much talaga. Maraming salamat. I really like what you have sent me. Maraming salamat talaga.
What's that one?
Yeah. It's my gift. Yeah.
It's exactly the same, but just different names on it.
Yeah.
Aren't they?
So generous. Would you like to try my mask?
No. I see.
Yeah. Parang buwang lang. I'm just so happy. I cannot hide my smile. I'm just so happy kasi sobrang good timing niya na malapit na yung birthday ko at nakatanggap ako ng package. Sobrang malaking blessing yun sa akin. Hindi kasi ako sanay na may nagbibigay talaga sa akin. Mas ako kasi yung nagbibigay at sometimes nakakalimutan ko na yung sarili ko. Maraming salamat talaga ay hindi ko yun ina-expect. Maraming salamat talaga. So, you make me smile even more. Sobrang gutom. Ito yung hapunan ko, mga palangga. Yung oras dito is 5 to 5 na. Oh! 5 na. Oh! 5 na. Nahulog yung itlog. So, ito yung hapunan natin. Yung oras dito is 5 to 5 na ng hapon. Noodles and 2 eggs. Kakain muna ako, oy.
The next day.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko to sisimulan, pero ngayon palang mga palangga, yung feeling ko sobrang mixed emotion na kasi naiiyak, natutuwa, na hindi makapaniwala na nandito na tayo. Sobrang excited ko talaga, yung puso ko tumitibok ng bonggang-bongga. So, I am so happy to inform you mga palangga na nandito na yung silver play button natin. Ito na talaga. Hawak ko na siya. Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala mga palangga na aabot tayo sa ganito. After 2 years, nandito na. Hawak ko na siya. So, maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. Nang dahil sa inyo, umabot tayo sa ganito. Hindi ko talaga inakala na aabot tayo sa ganito. Kay Papa God, maraming salamat rin. Kay YouTube, maraming salamat talaga. So, mga palangga, ito na talaga. Pasensya na talaga. Parang speechless ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sasabihin ko. Pero, nagpapasalamat talaga ako. So, ito yung award natin. Para sa atin to lahat, mga palangga. Para sa atin to. Yes! So, ito na siya. I-open na natin. Hello, parang magiging emotional ako ay. tears of joy. Kasi nung nagsisimula talaga ako, hindi ko to naisip na aabot tayo sa ganito talaga. So, ito na. Para sa inyo to lahat. May message si YouTube sa atin, si Susan. Babasahin ko muna yung letter, ha? Oh. So, ito na. Ito na yung silver play button natin. Mahahawakan na talaga natin. Oy, pinapanood ko lang to sa, mga ibang YouTuber nag-unboxing ng silver play button nila. Pero, yun. It's a dream come true talaga na mahawakan ko to. Presented to Mia Sandoval for passing 100,000 subscriber. Pwede kang manalamin sa silver play button. Saan ko kaya to ilalagay? Wala, uy. This is such an achievement, mga palangga, at you are part of it. Maraming salamat talaga. Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala, mga palangga, na nandito na tayo sa 100 plus subscriber. Hindi ko talaga alam yung sasabihin ko ngayon. I'm just so happy at gusto ko lang na i-hug ko tong silver button. Pero ang masasabi ko talaga na you're making my dream come true. YouTube, you're making my dream come true. Mga palangga, you're making my dream come true. Hindi ko talaga akalain na aabot tayo sa ganito. Yung mga bagay na pinapangarap ko noon, ngayon unting-unti ko siyang na-achieve. So maraming salamat talaga sa lahat. Kasi nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, parang feeling ko walang manonood. Hindi tayo aabot sa at least 1,000 subscriber. Pero yun, sobrang thankful ako kay God. At yeah, 2 years din na na-achieve natin to. Maraming salamat talaga. Para sa atin to lahat. Ay, magiging emotional ako, mga palangga ay. So anyway, because nag-ano tayo dito, nag-unboxing, just a quick story time about sa channel natin, kung bakit ako nagsimula, kung paano tayo nagsimula. So itong channel na to, nabuo to nung January 2017. So nabuo tong channel natin January 2017, pero hindi ako nag-upload straight away ng mga content. Nag-upload ako ng video. My first ever video talaga is yung makeup tutorial. It was uploaded August ata yun. Mga August yun. So, before that, before ako nag-upload ng mga video sa YouTube, nanonood talaga ako kay Sis Mary Ann. Si Sis Mary Ann talaga yung nag-inspire sa akin na mag-YouTube. Sis Ann, if nanonood ka, maraming salamat talaga. Nang dahil sa iyo, nag-start ako sa channel na to. So, lubos akong nagpapasalamat sa iyo. So, si Sis Ann, mayroon din siyang channel. Pakipalo si Sis Ann. Ilalagay ko siya sa description down below. This is something na hindi ko sana i-share sa inyo. Pero maraming nagtatanong. So, ang i-share ko lang sa inyo is yung first ever sahod ko sa YouTube. So, after a year na pag-create ko sa YouTube, nakasahod ako sa YouTube June 2018. So, almost a year ba? Yeah, almost a year. So, June 2018, nakasahod ako. Yun yung pinaka first ever sahod ko sa YouTube, which is 600 plus ata yun. So, yun yung sahod ko. So, sa mga curious dyan, yun po yung first ever sahod ko. Hindi ko na i-share sa inyo yung updated or recent na sahod ko. Pero maraming salamat talaga. Sabi ko nga, you're making my dream come true. And yes, it is making my dream come true talaga. So, maraming salamat talaga kasi itong pag-YouTube ko na to, laking tulong to para sa sarili ko. Maraming salamat talaga. So, yun mga palangga. Maraming salamat talaga. You have to look. You have to check the box. The play button. What do you think? Have a look.
Oh, I'm reading. YouTube creators a compliment. You are. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you create. Whoa.
Come on now.
Okay, you want me to look? Where is it? Oh. Whoa. Presented to. Where's Sir John's name? Do you know? Who's the star? Oh, well, I think we should have this up in here.
No.
I think we should have it up in here. Like this. It's a mirror as well, so good.
No.
Yeah.
It's so white.
Oh.
Honey, oi.
Hello, handsome. See?
Yeah, you look good. Look at you. What's the face? Meron akong in-order sa Amazon na I cannot remember what it is. So, John is excited to open the box. What is it?
What have you been buying that?
I don't know. I can't remember, Han.
I don't believe you can remember. How can you not remember?
Oh, my. What are they?
I have no idea.
What is this? Why you have to open my box?
I'm curious what you've been buying. It's heavy.
Yeah, but are you
Obviously,
what?
I don't know. What is it? It's not what your friend does, I know that much. There you are. Take the lid off. What's under there?
Ah, oh, this is not what I expected.
No.
Why so many?
The glass.
Yeah, why so many, Han?
Oh, one for.
Well, I don't know.
There's two in there. There's two in there. There's.
I thought I only buy 3.
Oh, you've got. There's two in there. You've
Oh,
got two in there.
they're Pyrex lunchbox.
What, glass lunchbox?
Yeah, they're more
And
healthier,
you've got two
Han.
in there. And you get one free. God, I hate that stuff. I need to
Ah,
my driving license.
I really think na I only order 3. Pero I've ordered how many? So, dali lang ha. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, at meron pa dito sa loob. So 5, at ito rin meron pa. So 7. Alright. Itong dalawa lang yung gagamitin ko. Ito yung gagamitin ko na para sa lunchbox ko. At ito. Yung iba, yung ito, we will save that. Itago natin yan. Sorry pala kahapon, hindi ko na kayo na-update. After sa tea time, I had one of my migraines. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko kagabi. So, hindi ko na kayo na-update. So, anyway, time here is 4 minutes past 4 in the afternoon. So, it's tea time. We're having a new potatoes and grilled pork chops. So, yesterday, hindi natuloy yung pag-visit ng anak niya dito. Kasi sabi ko sa inyo na...
United States?
Yeah, it's from United States.
Amazing.
Jan is reading about the
I'm
silver
so
play button.
excited.
So, yun nga. Hindi natuloy yung pagbisita ng anak ni Jan dito. Kasi sabi ko, di ba, na pupunta sana sila dito kahapon. Pero kinancel nila ulit. They said na they probably be here on weekend tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. So, I don't know. Ewan ko eh. Masyado silang busy. Anyway, ito yung parang marinade ko sa pork natin. Isasawsaw ko lang yung pork dito. Nilagyan ko to ng tomato ketchup, onion and garlic powder, ano pa ba? Yung pepper, at yung, ano bang tawag noon? Ito nilagyan ko din siya ng lemon pepper salt. Ito siya. Nabili ko to from Oriental Shop. Hindi ko alam kung anong lasa nito. So, good luck.
Wow!
Yes, Pipa. You need to pick the wood. We'll have a walk. Come on. Come on na. Si Pipa, okay. No, we're not going there. We're just going here. Ang hyper ni Pipa. I'm just gonna remove my makeup and then ita-try natin itong mask na to. Not mask, mask siya para sa eyes. Yes, it is a mask, pero sa eyes siya. Nag-makeup kasi ako kanina. Light makeup lang kasi nung nag-unboxing ako. Of course, prepare ko yung sarili ko. There you are. Ang ganda talaga dito ng lighting. I bet na bet ko yung lighting dito sa bathroom. Noon, nagko-complain ako kasi yung light kasi dito noon, yellow. So, ngayon, hindi na siya yellow. White na siya. Lamig ng tubig. Ito yung gagamitin natin. There you are. Dadalhin natin to sa kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen. Yung face ko is sobrang awkward tingnan. Yung gagamitin ko na Pyrex, hugasan ko siya. Then yung hindi ko gagamitin, I just put them away as they are. Hindi ko to gagamitin. Hindi ko rin to gagamitin. At hindi ko rin to gagamitin. So, mga palangga, I think this is it. This is our vlog for today. I really hope that you enjoy our short vlog mga palangga. At maraming salamat talaga sa lahat. So, I will see you in my next vlog. And bye! Mwah! Mwah!
What have you done to your face?
I put a mask. Eye mask.
Eye mask.
Am I beautiful in your eyes?
You're all beautiful, darling. From the moment I met you
Really?
till the day I die. I'll close my eyes and don't wake up.
Bye!